You won't believe this. I used just a spoon of homemade Besan fertilizer, and my plant doubled in size in just 5 days. Want to know how? Watch this. Besan or gram flour is not just for pakoras. It's packed with nitrogen, protein, and minerals that boost plant growth. When turned into a fertilizer, it feeds your soil and makes plants thrive naturally. How to make Besan fertilizer. 1 tablespoon Besan gram flour. 500 milliliters lukewarm water. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of Besan in 500 milliliters of water. 2. Stir well and let it rest for 6 to 8 hours. 3. Strain it using a cloth or sieve. 4. Now it's ready to use. Letting it sit makes the nutrients easier for plants to absorb. It's like a protein shake for your garden. Pour this around the base of your plant once every 5 to 7 days.